If that sounds good, let's dive into it. Anytime I see one of these birds, I'm like, I want a bird, but I know I'll get the worst bird. It'll just shit everywhere. So stop tricking me, birds. I'm not getting one of you. Stupid bird that sent me this.
Excuse me, sir.
It wasn't me, I swear. Could have been anyone.
Excuse me, sir.
Hey, how much dog food is that? Jesus Christ. It's funny because with Momo, our tiny one, it's the complete opposite. She loves to, I don't know, random stuff. And as soon as we go, what you got there? She'll bolt no matter what. Even if she doesn't want it. She'll take it, eat it, swallow it,